score o background music ay mahalagang element ng isang pelikula. Nakakadagdag ito ng dramatic narrative or emotional impact sa isang pelikula. Do you agree, Sir Dora?
Mahalaga talaga ang musical para maramdaman ng pelikula.
Heto na po ang mga nominadong ngayong gabi para sa Best Musical Score.
Juan de Guzman, Espantajo.
Photo pa.
Len Calvo, Green Loans. Vincent de Jesus, Isang Himala. Jackie Jazer Margaha, My Future You. Jessie Lasatet, The Kingdom. Jose Antonio Buencamino, Copa.
First MMFF ko po ito kasi tagal ko na sa MMFF. So I'd like to thank the jurors for this honor and to our producers, Creation, Unitel Straight Shooter, CMB and Capital Films, our creative team, our production team, our crew, lahat ng kasama namin for 16 days straight shoot sa shooting gallery sa malamig na studio na mukhang mainit. And to our surrogate parents, na mas bata sa akin, Madonna Tarayo and Pepe Jock. And also our director, thank you so much for believing in us. I'll keep it short. And to Sir Ricky, a mentor, a friend, a collaborator, thank you for being with this production since 2003 nung theater play pa siya, musical. Until now, Sir Ricky, we love you with all our... If I had two hearts, I would love you just the same. Maybe twice as much. And last and not but least, my Himaloves. The cast na mas clingy pa po sa glue. And I share this with you. And thank you, Merry Christmas, Mama. Yes, I love you. Thank you, everyone. And Merry Christmas.
The Vincent de Jesus, truly a master of his own craft. Grabe. And we are truly delighted with everybody's presence tonight with great talent, of course.
That is true, including our Himaloves right here.
Yes.
At tulad na lamang itong susunod nating presenters who are also excellent in their